guys, here with another video. Videoing our chickens today. At least our little chickens. As you can see, they've grown quite a bit. Since this is our first one. Haven't recorded them since they first got here. They used to be really little. And we have this one little chicken he's surviving over in the corner over here. As you can see, he's way smaller than the other ones, and we don't know if it's like a defect or something, but he's surviving. He is surviving. And he's definitely a trooper. And if you guys could, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And we will keep checking in on, we call him, I can't remember what we call the little one. Anyway, if you guys have a name, please put it down in the comments below. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video.